Today, we will continue to learn how to trade ongoing rallies with the best momentum scalping strategy with the best trading view indicator as usual. We will also talk about avoiding the stop loss with the top-down analysis. If you are good to go, let's do this. Let's talk about how to figure out early rally stages and how to trade the dominant ongoing movement in the markets. Do not just think about momentum coins. This can be any chart that you are looking for. Crypto, Forex, gold, or even Nasdaq sometimes. You can notice right here, price slowly pulls back into this inner imbalance with 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and the 1 hour charts. So I divided this video into actually two parts. Detecting and trading the early rally points, and then we will talk about how to trade the dominant movement on the go. We are now in a 1 hour chart, 1 hour time frame. Notice the swing failure pattern right here, followed by a microstructure break and this tiny imbalance in this chart. Let's drop to the 45-minute time frame. In here, you can notice the more obvious and larger imbalance area. If you drop to the 30 minutes, the same imbalance area is also there. So, now we know that this is an interesting area of multi-imbalances. Now dropping to the 15-minute time frame for further analysis. First thing I noticed was this support and resistance flip area with multi-level imbalances. Notice how many times price rejects this price level. Keep going down until the 5-minute charts so we can see and observe the price action better and more in detail. With this vision, we have a very large and strong movement here, as you can see. If you use the Fibonacci tool, you'll notice the large tradable area with imbalance and the optimal trade entry. Now, price dives and you can make your first cost average entry right here. Price dives again, you make your second and third entries. You can even set an order up to this deep level of optimal entry, because no one knows how much a price can pull back. As you can see, we are not using risk reward tool here, manually managing the orders. Now here is the fun part. You find all this price action right here in this area quite complex and boring. Maybe you even missed all this move. So my question is, what else can you do after this? Okay. Let's check the higher time frames again, as you can see on the right. So, the question is this. You cannot catch these stupid early starting rally points. You hate this smart money concept and you're so annoyed by them. What other options do you have? First of all, I have to tell you again, you do not have to catch the early exact sniper price action movement. All you can do, trade the dominant move on the go. Just like this one here, the rally on the go. Okay, as you can see, price breaks with a nice imbalance here again. This is a nice small dive area to trade the breakout. Then another fast move and a small pullback to this inner imbalance. Another trade. Then another nice break and small pullback to trade. As you can see, what you do here is jumping to rally with each pullbacks using small divided orders instead of a hard stop loss with classic risk reward tool. Okay, I hear you out. You hate this imbalance bullshits and tired of smart money concepts. Then all you can do is just get back to the basics. Basically, trade the bull flag breakouts on the ongoing rally. So in simple terms, waiting for simple bull flags and wait for the breakouts and joining the dominant party with a strong move. However, you must be aware of this. This strategy will never work on slow or choppy assets. You will need an ongoing rally or ongoing crash to trade this. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay friends, another great video ends here. Please take care and see you in the next video. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.